Hi, it's me, Pam Vanny, and today is Wednesday, August 3rd, and here's the calendar page. Love begins by taking care of the closest ones, the ones at home. Mother Teresa. Cute illustration. And it is also Pocket Wednesday, and I'm going to be showing how I make a pocket, and the host of this new um, hashtag Pocket Wednesday is my friend Stefani at Coffee Paper Scissors. I'll put the link in the description so you can see her pockets. She has quite a few that she's done. So check it out, and I'm going to join her for this collaboration. This is the pocket, and how it will be a pocket. It could also be a floating, tag, but it would go on a page like this, and then you have a couple pockets here, and then also if you glued it on these two sides, this also is a pocket or tuck. So I will show you this. What I have here is, and I used papers. You use whatever papers you want, but I just finished a journal called Butterfly Kisses, and I used this paper pack. It's by Bo Bunny, Butterfly Kisses. So I used paper from that. And I used a little cut apart, and then I added a sequin in the middle, some little flatback pearls. This is part of the fabric that I used for a fabric tag. Then I have I fussy cut this out, and I added this silver with this Perlin pen, Viva Silver Chrome. And then I just added it, along the lid and here in the flower center. And it's just cute. That little tuck in here is a pocket. And then also in this pocket, so you have like a pocket here and a pocket here. And then this would be a pocket. And then I have this You're Beautiful, backed on coffee dyed paper. And then I have this paper. It's been sewn around on craft. And then this is a fabric tag with an applique butterfly. So I am going to show you how this is made. And actually, I think I have that here. And I saw this folded pocket. I believe it was Gail Agustinelli. So if you want to check out her tutorial, you can do that also. So let's begin. You're going to cut a piece of cardstock that's 4.5 across and 12 inches long. Then you are going to score it. And you're going to want to decide, I think the smaller is best, here if you want everything to show this way. So I'm scoring at 1.5, 4, and 5.5. Okay. And then you will pull up your folds to make your pockets. And then you're going to glue these little pockets up. Like so. So now you got pocket here, and then this will be a pocket. And then on the back, you're gonna want to glue this also. Okay, and then what I did next is and you don't have to, but I'm going to sew around like that. There we go. My sewing machine doesn't like sewing over the thickness of this, but it did it. So now we have that. And then we're going to need, I mean, you could do any paper. Just cut a little square out of a paper. It doesn't have to be a cut apart. And then I'm going to back this little square on some craft, I think. And this is, yeah, I thought it was about 2 by 2. And then just gonna put it on here, glue it, and then I'll cut around it. About like that. Okay. Then we will cut around the little 2 by 2. Then we will ink it. Okay. And this is going to go right here. Kind of evens up at the top of this tuck. So we'll, we don't want to glue up here. Just want to glue the lower part of it. Looks about right. And then I'm going to add a little sequin. I think I'll do a silver to the middle of the flower. Like that. And then a couple flatbacks. This, of course, is optional. Oh, I should have thought, where am I putting this? I might put it up here. Okay. Hope you're all doing well. We just had a really nice rain, a little bit of thunder. I love a good thunderstorm. So I got that. And now let's make a tag. Let's see, what do we got here? And you can make your own little banner. Just so happen to have this from the cut apart Bon Bunny paper. pad. I thought this was pretty paper. And I'll tell you the measurements of this. On the craft, or the back, is 3.5 by 6. And this is about 3 1/4 by 5 3/4. And then we will just put this, glue it on. I'm not going to go to the very edge because I'm going to zigzag around it. So we will take it and put it on our craft paper. And then I'm going to zigzag around. I'm going to first add this little banner. And I will be back. Okay, this is what we have here. Oh, I'm just hearing thunder. It's kind of dark. Kind of cool. I love the sound of thunder. Okay, so here's one tag. And let's see. We will make a fabric tag. I just cut a little piece of fabric, and if you have an applique, it's kind of fun to use. So, just whatever will fit in your pocket. This one happens to be 3.5 by 6. And I think I will, this is the fabric I used on my last journal. I think we will just glue it to this side. Like that. And then I will sew around it, and then I can trim it up a bit too. So I'm going to zigzag around this, and then I will add my butterfly. So hard to tell which is the right side. It's that way. Okay, I just zigzagged around, and I think I will just use my pinking shears. Doesn't have to be perfect. Gives it more character if it isn't, right? Okay. That's cute. And then I will just attach this. You could use Fabri-Tac. I think I'm just going to add the little bit, tiny bit of hot glue to it. So we can add this now to our pocket. And then what else? Oh, I was going to add this little, I was going to die or cut this out. And this is from the paper pack. I just think it'd be cute tucked in there. So I'm just going to cut this out. All right, I got it cut out. Going to ink it. And then I'm going to use this little pen to highlight just a few little things here. Like that. Oh wow, did you hear that thunder? I hope you can, because it's awful cool. And now I will use my heat gun, or you could let it dry naturally. Okay, there's the little jar, so cute. I'm gonna put that little guy there. And then what else? Oh, I was going to take a little leftover fabric and just put a knot in it. Like that. Might be cute to just pink the ends. And then, I mean, you could add it anywhere, but I'm thinking it would be cute like that. Okay, and then I want to add one more smaller tag here, and you know, this is just a 3x4, and I stitched around here, but you can't really see it because it's the same color thread, but I did this leaf and then I sewed around here. So if you used it contrasting, that would probably be better. And I think we'll put it in this first pocket. And then if you wanted to, you could put, you know, something else underneath here. But I think that's cute the way it is. So this is my pocket for #Pocket Wednesday. Check out Stefani's channel. Coffee, paper, scissors. Alrighty, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.